on
Jenny, can I say something real
yes,
quick since I
yes,
have the opportunity?
yes, ma'am.
And I don't know if I'll be able to share this. I wanted to tell you that, after my third meeting with you all, I did a video or a meeting with you, Cliff, John, and Antoine. And after that fourth one earlier in my start, I already knew that I had retrieved my investment back. I don't need to go into the market to know that because I'm like, they're showing up, Sean. It's not a video. They're videos that we watch, but you guys show up monthly for us and you guys pour into us. So I already knew. I don't need to go in the market to get my investment back. I already retrieved that back in January. And through the internship, you get to me, for me, you have given everything, you have poured everything into your modules for us to put everything together in the internship. So you have given us, that's why when you pose the question, what is it from you that we need? I'm always like, you've given it to me. I've gotten everything that you could possibly give me. I just need to apply it and put it to work. And as far as if you could, keep showing up, and as far as your business, I don't know if you've ever sat back and realized how many lives you changed, how many legacies you changed. Not just the people going through your class, but their sons and their daughters, what they're able to provide. So I wanted to share that with you. And I'm
Uh,
going to get off now. So I appreciate you and I thank you for the opportunity to hope again.
thank you. I received that. Jalecia, she did it. April, you did it. um, woo, I want every single one of you to get an offer. But I know that you got to take what I gave you and you can't give up. You can't give up when the phone just isn't ringing. You can't give up when the interviewer says no or they send you a rejection letter. Like you got to understand that we got to fight against so many different things. And yes, I am a Black woman. Some of y'all are too. But then you have other people that are seasoned. Then you know what I'm saying, that also get excluded out or people look at them a certain way, So that's why I don't preach from all that I'm Black and stuff like that. I'm proud, but I don't teach because all of us, get excluded for different things and rejected for different things. But you have to know that you are enough. And you can't give up no matter what your background is. And so whether it's learning from me or anybody else, like I just want you to not give up because I truly believe that what you get here, and thank you, April, for saying that, is enough. But are you going to look at the market and say it's 4,000 people competing against it? We got students who was in a pool of 8,000 applicants and got a yes. 8,000, like we got you looking to some of them testimonials. Some people's in pools of 8,000, 5,000, 12,000, and they are the ones who got a yes and didn't have experience technically. So you still got to go through ATS, yes, disabilities, yes. So yes, I with love, thank you, April. I received that. Um, My goal is definitely to give you enough to get your first yes. But the thing is you can come to my program or any other program, but you still got to do the work. My goal with Road to QA is so you don't have to go to a high cost boot camp and you don't have to get into debt to do it. And I hope that you realize our whole mission is still to be a profitable company, but at the same time, to be a place where you don't have to go into debt and but you don't also have to be alone and you can still get boot camp experience without having to spend all that. So that's my goal. So with all that, let's go ahead and let's look at some jobs because I like to do that.